Meaning of fact.
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 Fact. The term fact refers to a piece of information that is considered to be true and can be verified through evidence or experience. Facts are objective, meaning they do not depend on subjective opinions or beliefs. In today's society, facts play a crucial role in shaping public opinion and decision-making processes. Understanding and interpreting facts properly is essential for making informed decisions and avoiding misunderstandings. However, it is worth noting that the interpretation and dissemination of facts can sometimes be influenced by personal biases or outside agendas, making it important to approach them with critical thinking and scrutiny.